anuhin.
I see.
Diba?
Mamaya punta tayo dun sa akyat ng konti, parang mountain. O, dito mo. Yung baka.
Oh, he wants to charge us.
Wow!
Diba? It's like rodeo.
Meron pa ano ba?
Diba?
It's a bull!
Parang yung bull tita na gustong humabol.
It's gonna bang the car.
Buti na lang siya.
Uy, ganda nung anong bigas. Ba, talagang magandang fence yun nila.
Yan ang carry yung mga parang
Maganda
yun yung before the rice yun. Yung puma.
Yeah. See, this is rice.
That's the palay.
They make them, palay.
Oh.
You know, the skin of the rice.
Yeah.
They make them dry. You know,
Yeah.
they put them in there. They put them in a road. I guess they're legal here. Don't run them over. You're not supposed to do that. They let them dry kasi they're still green.
Tapos doon,
When they're harvest them.
lalagay nila sa nakita doon sa rice mill.
Because it needs sun.
Para matuloy. Yun ang magiging golden coffee.
Kasi magbe-beginning ng summer talaga.
Ayun nakita yung mga bunga niya. O yan.
Babalay.
Yung brown na yun.
Yun.
Yan.
Nagba-brown na.
Yun yung bunga niya, tita. Yung palay.
Hey, we supposed to pay?
No, tita!
How much?
Kasama po namin yun. Ading kasama namin sila. Kila Nora.
How much?
Kasama namin sila. Oo.
Pamilya.
Pamilya. No.
Bayaran namin?
No, hindi na pala.
Wag na?
Oo, okay.
Salamat.
Thank you.
Salamat.
They're going to charge us kasi kaya sabi ko we're family.
We
Oh, family.
Dun.
Ay, ang daming tao dito.
Opo, tita. Dapat dyan tayo, tita. Kaya lang
Are we
dito
following
tayo
them?
sa bago.